Hey guys, special unboxing today. The first order from Jimmy Choo that I've ever done. So we're gonna check this out together and see if Jimmy Choo lives up to its name. Okay. Bag of the day is of course the Pochette Matisse with the bandeau from the 2021 Christmas collection, and can't say enough about it. Lock drives me nuts. Love the bag. I'm not a real big flap girl. I miss my Neverfull, but I do love this bag in certain ways. So just wanted to let you know that look drives me nuts, but I love the bag. Okay, so we're gonna set that over there and get started on our unboxing. I ordered this direct from Jimmy Choo. So I ordered the shoes and I ordered a handbag. So I will list the description below. Oh, thank goodness. Get all this stuff done because I know that this light is going to go out on me. And I've got to do something about my lighting. I know. I'm so sorry. At least I did film inside this time to where maybe you can see, you know. All right. And it's the packaging. Jimmy Choo. Very lovely Jimmy Choo. Packaging there. So excited. So excited. It's the bag. It is the bag. And you know I'm a bag girl. I'm excited about the shoes, but heaven forbid. Okay, this is the little dust bag. And this is our little Jimmy. It's our little Jimmy, y'all. And it is little. Oh, this gives off some really good tiny vibes. Oh, this is tiny bag vibe big time. That is so freaking cute. It is so friggin' cute, y'all. I can't even. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's the tag. There's the Jimmy Choo tag. Isn't that so cute? Oh my God. This is so cute. The Jimmy Choo card. Let's do our little strap. It has a shiny gold hardware. More of a little bit lighter colored. I thought it said brass hardware, but that's not brass. The quality, as far as I can see, is there. Child, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in all my born days. That is the cutest bag. It has little metal feet. Glaze stitching. Oh, the glazing is beautiful. perfect little bag. Oh my goodness. Magnetic snap closure. Y'all, that is just too freaking cute. Okay, let's move on because this light's gonna go out. So, let's for the handbag. And the little bag does come with a booklet. A little Jimmy Choo tag there. So I just noticed that. So let me get to unboxing. And it'll be a few more days before I get the Louis Vuitton maybe with the python trim. Jimmy Choo shoes. But we'll do an unboxing then, and I think I'm probably gonna slow down a little bit after that. I don't know, you know, the prices increases are coming. Indy's price increase, I believe, is coming on the 2nd, and we don't know, but you know, there's been whisper of another Louis Vuitton price increase since the last one, which the last one was unexpected to me. It might not have been to other people, but they usually do go up in the fall, do a price increase every year in the fall, and oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Yeah, loving this bag. It's like small bag vibe, big time. But I love that the top is open enough. It's not big enough to put your phone in, but you can put your phone in. So if that makes any sense, you can put it in there, but you're not gonna want to carry it in there. So if you need to stick it in there for a minute, you can do that. Oh yes. I can tell you already. Okay, and I ordered a 7.5 and an 8, or 37.5 and a 38, because I'm normally a 7.5, but sometimes in a designer shoe I need an 8, because my big old feet. Let's take a look at this and see how this goes. Oh, y'all, if neither pair fit, it's gonna break my heart. Okay, this is the 37.5, and I tell you that's not going to work. And let's take a look at the 38s. I'm afraid I may have to go to a 38.5. But never fear, we're gonna get this shoe, and we're gonna get it straight, because this is just an adorable set. I mean, just fabulous. So, check this out. Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo. Let's get the shoes. I'm gonna hold it down because I have some good ugly feet. Of course, you always say so anyway. Y'all, these gonna be them. These going to be them. I could do a size larger, but I know that they're going to stretch out. And it's hot, so my feet are swollen. And if I get a size larger, they're going to be too long. They're a little narrow. They feel good on my feet. It's a very soft leather, so I think they're gonna, I really do think they're gonna stretch out to a good size. I hope you can see these. Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo. Oh gosh, y'all, it's my first pair of Jimmy Choos. Oh, I am so excited. Jesus. Okay. And the little bag is just to die for. Jimmy Choo's having a big sale right now. I believe I got these half price. So, there's a nice leather lining. Oh, guys. And just look what it does for the outfit. Put those out of the way. And I'm good to go. Good to go to the casino. All right, kids. And let me see if I can see what's in Louis that may fit in a little wallet. Little Dior mirror. And yeah, that's probably about it. And like I said, this is mini bag vibes for serious. I'll probably at some point, now that I've seen them and that I've got the Jimmy Choos, in which I will need to just cheap pair of glasses. Yeah, that's just for reference, a bank envelope, see, wouldn't really fit. So your cell phone is not gonna fit in here. But like I said, if you stand it straight up like that, you can carry it in the bag. It's just not gonna be very secure. But if you're somewhere that you need it to be handy, that's great. But y'all, I can't say enough about the quality of this Jimmy Choo bag. I appreciate you sharing this video and this moment with me. I like just saying bye-bye, so it's time for me to say goodbye. And y'all have a great day. And once again, first Jimmy Choos. Oh my gosh. Yes, and I got to tell you, the longer that they're on, the more that they're just buttery goodness. The more they just kind of just mold to your feet. Yes, I can understand why everybody rants and raves about the Jimmy Choos now. And y'all have a great day. It's one jackpot at a time.